Doesn't matter if you're a brand owner, an agency owner, or just a creator. If you're still making UGC ads manually in 2026, you're burning way too much time and money because the biggest brands and creators are cranking out AI UGC ads, doing way less work, in way less time, and pulling in serious cash. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make ultra-realistic UGC ads with AI in just 4 simple steps. Do not skip this video, because at the end, I'm dropping a few secrets that can literally multiply the conversion on your ads. The first thing that you need before making any UGC ad is a consistent character, and this is exactly where most people mess up. They generate one AI image of the character and then try to use that single image to build the whole ad. Obviously, the result doesn't come out right. To build a truly consistent character, you want to head over to Higgsfield's image creation tool and use Nano Banana Pro. Inside it, paste this prompt right here. In this prompt, you'll fill in your character's identity, appearance, environment, camera angle, and realism, all based on your brand. Hit generate and boom, you'll get something like this. Now, this character already looks pretty real, but to actually keep it consistent, you need to do 2 more things. First, generate close-up shots. Second, generate different camera angles. For the close-ups, just use the same image as a reference, then drop in this master prompt that I built for you. And you'll get something like this, close-up shots of your character from every angle. We didn't generate anything new here, we just pulled clean close-up shots of the same face, and after that, use that result as a reference image and feed this prompt. Now you've got full body shots of your character from different angles. And here's a little secret most beginners totally miss. Instead of keeping all your reference images scattered everywhere, put them all together in one single place. That becomes your character board. So in the future, anytime you want to generate a new ad, you don't need to upload a bunch of separate angles and images every single time. You just drop in this character board as your reference, and you're done. Now you've got a realistic, consistent character. But even with that, you still can't make a winning ad, because you don't actually know how UGC ads are structured. To make a winning UGC ad, you only need to focus on 3 elements. First one is the hook, the first 3 seconds of the video. The hook is basically you saying or doing something that makes the viewer stop scrolling. It can be a strong emotion, an unexpected statement, or a relatable problem. Anything that snaps attention. Second is emotion. Your character's expressions and body language need to actually feel like they're talking to the audience, like a real human moment. Ads with flat face and no body language are skipped in seconds. Third is the CTA, the call to action. UGC ads without CTA just don't work. At the end of the video, you've got to clearly tell the viewer what to do next and why they should do it. And honestly, multiple CTA are one of the biggest reasons UGC ads flop. So please, just stick to one clean, simple CTA. The first format we're building is the talking head review ad. In this format, your character just sits in front of the camera and gives a review of the product and builds instant trust with the viewer. The AI tool I'll be using is higgsfield. Link is in the description below. Once you click that link, head into the Create Video section in Higgsfield, upload your character board as a reference image, and also upload a reference image of the product. Then drop in this prompt. It got the environment, the product, and the character details, all packed into one. Now pay attention to one thing here. In the environment section of the prompt, I intentionally wrote phrases like slightly messy and not too polished, because if the setting looks too perfect, the ad instantly feels fake. The whole power of real UGC is in that authenticity. So let's hit generate and see what we got.
Okay, so I was literally the girl who thought protein powder was only for bodybuilders. And then I tried Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard and everything changed. My recovery got so much faster, I stopped feeling sore the next day, and I actually started seeing definition within the first 2 weeks. If you're serious about your fitness and you actually want results, the link is in my bio. Grab it, thank me later.
Okay, this is actually really good. The character is consistent, and if you look at the background, there's a gym bag, a protein shaker on the side, a few random things scattered on the counter, and even a microwave in the back. We intentionally mentioned all of that in the prompt, and Higgsfield picked up on every single detail and built a setting that genuinely looks like a real kitchen. The only thing was, the product in the character's hand looked a little different from the reference image. So I ran it one more time, and what came out was even more authentic. Check this one out too.
Okay, so I was literally the girl who thought protein powder was only for bodybuilders, and I tried Optimum Nutrition and everything changed. My recovery got stopped healing with deafen within the first 2 weeks. If you're serious about your fitness and you actually want results, the link is in my bio.
This result is way better than the first one. The character's body language feels natural, the actual product is clearly visible, the Nike t-shirt's there, gloves on the counter, protein shaker in frame, and the kitchen behind looks like a real kitchen. There's even a slight camera shake, like it was filmed on a regular phone instead of some professional rig. The ad isn't too fancy, isn't too plain. If somebody sent you this video, you'd genuinely think a real ad. And honestly, that's the whole point of building this kind of video. But there's one issue with this format. The viewer can see the product, but they can't really feel it. You know, the excitement of a brand new product, the unboxing moment, all of that is missing here, and for some audience, that excitement is literally what triggers the buying decision. And that's exactly the emotion the second format triggers, which is unboxing POV. In this format, the character isn't looking into the camera. Instead, you shoot the unboxing from the character's perspective. And it's so powerful because the viewer literally feels like they're in that moment. For this format, we're making a Gymshark ad. So let's hop into Higgsfield and feed this prompt. Now, in this prompt, I did one specific thing that most people completely miss, which is product consistency. Meaning the product being unboxed needs to be the same exact color, size, and design that the character is also wearing or using. Because if you unbox a green outfit and character ends up wearing something different in the final shot, the ad instantly feels fake. So here's what I did. I picked Gymshark's Mocha Brown set, mentioned the same color clearly in the prompt, and also asked it to add a final mirror selfie shot where the character is wearing the same outfit. And for this entire video, I attached the character board plus a real reference of the Gymshark packaging, so Higgsfield knew exactly what to build.
I'm so excited to wear these today.
The hands look completely natural, the unboxing looks proper, like somebody's actually opening a poly bag. The outfit color matches in both shots. Same in the unboxing and same in the mirror. This is a believable unboxing ad, fully built by AI. Now the unboxing format only works when the audience is curious about the product, when they want to know what it looks like, what it feels like. But not every product gets people curious. And that's where the third format comes in, which is B-roll lifestyle. In this format, you show small glimpses of the creator's life where the product is just being used naturally. The viewer doesn't even realize it's an ad. It just looks like the product is being used in someone's real day-to-day life. And for this one, we picked the Everywhere Belt Bag, because in the fitness community, this thing is literally a cult product. So I'll head back to the Create Video tab, select the bag's reference image, and drop in this prompt. I packed in really specific details like early morning light, messy ponytail, a light layer of sweat. All the small things that make the ad feel authentic. And just look at this. So with B-roll, we just saw that even when the character isn't saying anything, you can still get conversions, because the viewer is imagining themselves in that lifestyle. This format is perfect for the aspirational audience, but there's another type of audience out there, people who don't get convinced only by lifestyle. They need proof. They need to see the product actually solving a real problem. And that's where our most powerful format comes in, which is transformation. This format directly triggers emotion. The viewer relates to the problem and then gets sold by the solution and ends up buying the product. For this one, we are using this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream because it's a hugely viral product right now. And use the prompt, I added a couple of things on purpose. First, a headband, because that one little headband instantly tells the viewer the character is doing her skincare routine. Second, I clearly mentioned that the before shot needs a frustrated expression and the after shot needs a confident smile. Because if the expression is same in both shots, the transformation has zero impact. Strong emotion is the actual fuel of this format. Now check this out.
Okay, my skin has been so dry and dull lately. I have tried literally everything and nothing is working. Okay, so I found this and my skin has completely changed in 2 weeks. I am never switching. The link is in my bio.
Look at this. Both shots came out exactly right. In the first one, the character is in the bathroom with no makeup and headband, wearing a white tank top, and there's this tired look on her face. Exactly what we wanted. And in the second shot, same character standing in front of the mirror, holding the product confidently, talking about it in skincare bottles on the shelves behind her. All those little details are giving the shot a real feel. So that was our fourth and final format. If you just build out UGC ads in these 4 formats, you can run a successful campaign easily. But to actually make the campaign profitable, you need one more thing on top of all this, and that is copy the winner ads. The old problem with UGC ads was that you had to hire influencers, and they'd charge so much per single ad that running experiments was a financial gamble. But AI UGC ads completely solve that problem. You're not paying every time you want to make a new ad. So copy as many winning ads as possible. Copy the format, copy the script, and then rebuild it with your own AI influencer. You can even create multiple AI influencers and run multiple formats at the same time. The actual payoff only kicks in when you start playing the volume game. While your competitors are still out there trying to find real influencers and burning money, you'll have already generated a stack of ads, launched them, and ran a full campaign. And honestly, that's the whole game. If you want to learn in detail how to build multiple AI influencers that actually carry their own personality and can even make you money, make sure to watch this video. And if this video helped you out, like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one.